Hey, how's it, Aloha gang? Today on HINow, we're back at City Mill, and the holidays are a time to share and be with friends and family. Give gifts, but today we're talking about making your own. We have Iris with us. Iris, what do we have over here?
We have some great gifts for kids this year. We have from Stanley Jr. Nice do-it-yourself kits with paintable and put togetherable and all that stuff. We have birdhouses, trucks, airplanes, and this is a great kit. It is a pullback sport car kit. It comes with everything here. So you have a 5-piece tool set and all the parts to do this wonderful thing.
I love this. Now, Iris, the great thing about all these gifts are it requires the keiki to put down the tablet. Put the phone down, spend some time creating things.
And kids love to do that. So we have these great metallic leafing pens, and they can be used on wood, metal, glass, or ceramics. These are great. This is really interesting. These are pouring paints. So what you do is you pour these on a surface and you kind of tilt them around and they make really great patterns on it. They're meant for tables.
So I could actually be a decent artist with a gift like
you
this.
Could, and
maybe.
You could frame it. This is a 36-piece pen set, and they're gel pens. And people love gel pens, and people love to doodle. So this is really good for people who love to color, and it's very calming.
In the midst of holiday craziness with friends and family, you're running to and from all of these different holiday parties. We have a packing station over here that's going to make that whole transition a lot easier.
This is a DeWalt packing station.
Tell me about this thing.
Great for anybody who has tons of tools that you want to take with you.
Tons of camera gear.
Gear. They all fit in and it works together with any DeWalt Tough system with a transport everything with.
How can people get it?
They can get it at any City Mill store and on citymill.com.
Brought to you by City Mill.